So this is a very short video, and in this video I will discuss the subject wise question distribution for West Bengal Public Service Commission Assistant Engineer Examination, and this discussion is based on the question paper of 2016. Okay, so let's start. For better discussion, I have divided the whole syllabus into this number of subject. So for example, I have taken total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 subject. Okay, so I'll discuss from this 13 subject how many numbers of question has been came in 2016, and you may divide the syllabus in more number of subject. For example, in environment topic or in environment subject, I have covered from water supply to water treatment, sewage treatment, pollution, everything. Okay, so let's start with environment. In environment, total 13 number of question has come in 2016. Okay, total 13. I think a considerable number of question has come from environment. Next, irrigation. Here 7 question has come. Hydrology. In hydrology, total 5 question has come in 2016. RCC or reinforced concrete. Here we have got 6 number of questions. Fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics, here I have included both open channel flow also. So including fluid mechanics and open channel flow, we have got 12 number of question in 2016. Now, strength of material, a very hot subject for civil engineering student. Let's see how many question has come in 2016 from this so-called hot subject. Only 3. Okay, so lots of time is consumed by student to cover the whole syllabus in strength of materials, and after covering or after putting so much hard work, you will get hardly 3 number of question in 2016. Next, again another hot subject for civil engineering student, that is structural analysis. Okay, here also you have got only 3 questions. Okay, next is our soil mechanics and foundation engineering. So let's see how many questions has come. Here again a large number of questions has come. Total 15 number of questions has come in soil mechanics. Okay, next is surveying. Here also 11 number of questions has come. Next, highway engineering, that means including your transport engineering, your traffic engineering. So total 10 number of questions has come. Next, concrete technology, only 3 number of questions has come from concrete technology. And building material, actually building material and concrete technology can be clubbed, and building material means your brick, wood or reinforcement, like that. Okay, plaster, stone. So from building material, yes, total your 8 number of question has come. And last one is your construction planning and management, that is CPM or your part, okay, or construction equipment. So from that topic you have got 4 number of question, like that. Total 100 question in 2016, and the subject wise division is shown here. Okay, so now let's see at a glance. Yes, this is the subject wise distribution. Okay, so if you think that you have not that much of time to cover all the syllabus or all the topic, okay, and you have only 2 months of time, so don't worry, please trust on previous year of question paper pattern. And if you only prepare this zone, okay, this zone, so this 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 subjects only cover how much number? 10 20 30 40 50 60 and 61. Okay, maybe in this year it's not 61, maybe it is 65 or 55, but from this distribution it is clear that a major chunk of question is coming from this non-structural subject. Okay, and if we look into this bottommost distribution pattern, you can easily neglect these two hot subjects which consume lots of time to cover, that is strength of material and structural analysis. Only 6 number of question has come in 2016. If you are already well prepared, in that case I have nothing to tell you, only revise each and every subject. But if you are not well prepared, and in this 4 months, because this is almost middle of July, and you have July to August, September, October, and the exam is going to be commenced in the mid of November. Okay, so you have almost 1 2 3 4 months. 4 months. If you are wishing to crack this WBPSC AE 2020 with the preparation of 4 months, my suggestion is please start with this one, soil mechanics, which carries maximum weightage as per previous record. Okay, you don't know, or I also don't know, what is going to be the pattern for this year. Okay, so it is not mandatory that this year also the same pattern will be followed, but based on previous year pattern, at least you can prepare yourself, which is better than nothing. Okay, and after completing all of these 5 subjects in this 4 month, if you find that till you have some amount of time, please go for these 2 subjects, that is your irrigation and hydrology, because these subjects are comparatively smaller. Okay, and 7 plus 5, these 2 subjects itself carry almost 12 marks. Okay, so the strategies: start with soil mechanics, then complete environment, then fluid mechanics, then surveying, then highway, then if time permit, please go for irrigation and hydrology. All these strategies are only for those students who are not well prepared, or especially for those students who are working. Okay, wish you all the best. Have a good time ahead.